Healthcare analytics is a specialized field that involves the systematic analysis of healthcare data to derive meaningful insights, improve patient care, and optimize healthcare operations. It encompasses the use of advanced analytical techniques to extract valuable information from diverse healthcare data sources, including electronic health records, EHRs, medical imaging, patient outcomes, and administrative data. One fundamental application of healthcare analytics is in improving patient outcomes through predictive analytics. By analyzing historical patient data, healthcare providers can identify patterns that help predict potential health issues, enabling early intervention and personalized treatment plans. For example, predicting the likelihood of readmission for certain conditions allows healthcare professionals to implement preventive measures and enhance patient care. Another crucial aspect is operational analytics, which focuses on optimizing the efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare processes. This includes analyzing data related to resource utilization, staff performance, and patient flow within healthcare facilities. For instance, analyzing emergency department wait times and patient admission patterns can help hospitals streamline operations and allocate resources more effectively. Healthcare analytics also plays a vital role in population health management. By aggregating and analyzing data from a large population, healthcare providers can identify trends, assess risk factors, and design targeted interventions to improve overall community health. For example, analyzing demographic data and health behaviors can guide public health campaigns to address prevalent health issues. Furthermore, healthcare analytics contributes to cost management and revenue optimization in the healthcare industry. By analyzing financial data, such as billing and claims information, healthcare organizations can identify areas for cost reduction, prevent fraud, and enhance revenue cycle management. In essence, healthcare analytics leverages data-driven insights to transform the healthcare landscape, providing a foundation for evidence-based decision-making, personalized patient care, and the efficient management of healthcare resources.